If you want to upload a game on itch.io, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to upload your project step by step, so you can get your game online quickly and without confusion. This is a great tutorial whether you're uploading your first game or you just need a simple refresher on the process. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump into it. First, go to itch.io and log into your account. If you don't already have one, you'll need to create and verify your account first, but once you're signed in, everything becomes much easier to manage. After logging in, look at the top of the page and click on Dashboard. This is where all of your projects and account tools are located. From the dashboard, find and click Create New Project. This is the option you'll use to start uploading your game to itch.io. Now you'll be taken to the project setup page, and this is where you begin entering the important details for your upload. First, type in your game title. Make sure the title is clear and easy to recognize, because this is what players will see first. Next, fill in the details for your game. This can include a short description, the genre, and anything else that helps people understand what your project is about. The more complete your information is, the better your page will look to visitors. After that, upload your game file. Depending on your project, this could be a zip file, executable build, or another supported format. Take your time here and make sure you are uploading the correct version of your game. Once the file is added, you can set the price for your game or choose to make it free. If you want people to download it without paying, just select the free option. If you want to sell it, enter the price that works for you. Then go through the rest of the form and fill out all the required details. This may include platform information, upload settings, page options, and other project fields that help complete your listing. It's always a good idea to review everything before you publish, just to make sure there are no missing details or mistakes. When everything looks good, click Save, and then publish the game. Once you publish it, your game will go live on itch.io and be available for people to view, play, or download depending on your settings. And that's it. You've now learned how to upload an itch.io from start to finish. It really is a simple process once you know where everything is located. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful software guides, game uploading tips, and easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.